Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone having a wonderful day. The most shocking revelations in the unsealed Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard court documents include Marilyn Manson, erectile issues, and nude images. The list of weird subjects that have come up in a celebrity trial now includes nude images, erectile difficulties, and barely legal groupies in addition to mysterious fecal matter and a severed finger. Yes, just when you thought there was nothing else to learn about the Johnny Depp-Amber Heard defamation case, over 6,000 pages of court records were made public over the weekend, exposing even more horrifically heinous information about the two main players. The publication of the documents occurred nearly 2 months after a jury in Fairfax County, Virginia, found Heard guilty of maliciously and intentionally defaming Depp in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed in which she described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. The actor was given $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages by the jury despite the fact that Heard never specifically mentioned Depp by name in the essay and the references to him were obvious. The judge eventually decreased the punitive damages to the $350,000 statutory limit for Virginia. Heard's lawyers has submitted a motion to appeal the decision after she won a modest countersuit victory of $2 million in compensatory damages. The recently declassified materials are unlikely to affect the public's perception of the decision, but they do provide new information about the contentious pretrial talks and a few surprises. The documents were secured and made available online by attorney Andrea Burkhart. See the most surprising things we discovered from the unsealed docs below. Depp allegedly tried to introduce Heard's nude images as evidence in the broadcast trial in an inappropriate manner. According to Heard's legal team, Depp allegedly tried to bring up further irrelevant personal concerns, such as Heard's short stint as an exotic dancer years before she met Mr. Depp. According to Heard's lawyers, Depp's team, according to Heard's attorneys, tried to frivolously and maliciously claim or imply that Ms. Heard formerly worked as an escort. According to Heard's attorney, Elaine Bredihoft, in the documents, naked pictures of Amber Heard or comments about stripping or escort services would be highly distracting and unfairly prejudicial to the extent they portray Amber Heard as a sex symbol instead of a women's rights activist against domestic abuse. Heard's purported attempts to document portions of his medical history, including as prescriptions for medications used to treat herpes and erectile dysfunction, were denounced by Depp's lawyers as an obvious attempt to drag this trial down a variety of unnecessary salacious rabbit holes. Depp's alleged erectile problems, according to Heard's legal team, is relevant to one of the actress' most upsetting claims that Depp sexually assaulted her with a bottle of alcohol after a dispute. Although Mr. Depp would want to keep his erectile dysfunction diagnosis a secret, her attorneys contended that such a disease is unquestionably connected to sexual violence, including Mr. Depp's rage and use of a bottle to rape Amber Heard. Due to his erectile problems, it is more likely that Johnny Depp would become irate or upset while interacting with Amber Heard and turn to alcohol. Depp maintains he never physically harmed Heard and has vehemently disputed the allegation. Although Depp's close friendship with controversial shock rocker Marilyn Manson came up frequently throughout the trial, the unsealed documents reveal that Depp's legal team worked hard to keep text exchanges between them confidential, contending that doing so would unfairly implicate Depp. More troubling messages between Depp and Manson were discovered in a now unsealed motion filed on March 28. Manson, taking a cue from his pal, is currently suing his ex-girlfriend, actress Evan Rachel Wood, for defamation after she and others accused him of grooming and sexual assault. The released court documents contain copies of the texts that Manson sent to Depp in 2016 regarding a woman by the name of Lindsay. Manson is currently married to photographer Lindsay Usich, claiming that he is experiencing Amber 2.0. Just now, Lindsay pulled an Amber on me. Please remove, he composed. Depp replied via text, I've been reading a lot about it and psychopathic behavior. It's true, my brother, it's true. The damned textbook is my XC. Manson answered, with L's family, I experienced a significant police Amber-type incident. I'm freaking anxious. I don't know whether you are back, but I need to find refuge somewhere since I believe the police are on their way to me. In a different unsealed text chat, Manson wrote to Depp, Meet and greet with a new fan. Girl, you appear to require it. Believe me, I'll email a photo. 18. The disclosed documents reveal that Depp's attorneys made a concerted effort to prevent several of Kurt's experts from testifying, even though they weren't always successful. Despite Depp's team's requests to the court to suppress Elaine Barkin's testimony, the actress did finally appear. She said Depp tossed a bottle in her way during a quarrel while they were dating in the 1990s. Intense emails between Depp and his actor pal Paul Bettany were also kept confidential, with the defense being that the two were just having a dark good time when they joked about drowning her to see if she was a witch, and Depp even suggested they burn and mutilate her corpse. Aside from Dr. David Spiegel, a psychiatrist for the defense, Dr. Don M. Hughes, a psychologist who met with Heard over the course of several sessions and determined she had PTSD, and Dr. Amy Banks, a relationship expert who spoke with the couple and thought Heard had experienced domestic abuse at the hands of Depp. Depp's team also unsuccessfully tried to suppress their testimony. The court records also reveal that Depp's team sought Julian Ackert's exclusion. Ackert later testified in court that Depp's audio and photo evidence raised issues of manipulation, alteration, and deletion. Stay tuned with Gossip Time. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.